So the very early leaks and spoilers for Attack on Titan manga chapter 138 are out and we need to talk about this. So hello and welcome to Under YZ, my name is Soham and let's just directly jump into it. Now here, before beginning the video, I just need to remind you all that these are simply spoilers and these are not an indication of the entire things that are going to happen in this particular chapter. So I will really advise you all to not spread any unnecessary hatred towards Isayama and the others who are involved in the series. Let's just wait for the official chapter to arrive and then we can have all our discussions and theories in this particular regard. But with what I am seeing here with these leaks, things are looking a little iffy in my opinion. I'm not gonna say that I'm really loving these leaks, but at the same time I predicted a couple of different things here from my prior videos, so I'm kinda happy about that as well. But anyway, let's directly jump into it. So according to the leaks, Gabby hugs her parents and Pieck and Annie see their fathers as well. This is basically a reunion for all the warrior candidates. At the same time, Reiner falls to the ground and Colossal Titan Armin walks towards Reiner. But there's a huge explosion behind Armin and he sees that it is none other than long-haired Eren. Now I really don't remember what the CT acronym stands for. Here in the leaks it is saying that CT Titan. So I don't really understand if CT Titan refers to Colossal Titan or not. I don't think that would make a lot of sense that Eren is the Colossal Titan. I don't really think this is what the leaks are referring to here, so I'm just gonna pretend that this is normally Eren. If anyone knows what is the exact meaning of this thing, then please let me know in the comment section below. But after all of this, they both start fighting. Eren and Armin finally start their battle, and after a while, Eren blows up Armin. And according to the leaks, it is not known what is the status of Armin after this particular battle. However, from the way the leaks have been shaped here, I think that Reiner and Armin have both survived the war, even though they have suffered a lot of damage. And after this point, we get a lot of memories of Eren and Mikasa, and now we are finally getting into the interesting parts because Mikasa is kind of the MVP of this chapter. I know a lot of people might not like the direction that is being taken place here, and I will obviously share my opinions as well when the official chapter is out, but for now I'm just going to say one particular thing after the leaks are finally over. Just wait for that. But in the meantime, after the memories are over, Mikasa and Levi ride upon Falco and Mikasa wraps a scarf around both of them, and at last the two Ackermans land above Eren. Now here once again in the leaks, CT is being mentioned here. I don't really think it is being talked about the Colossal Titan here. I am thinking it is about the Founding Titan's head. But again, I'm not 100% sure here. But anyway, Levi helps to crush the CT's teeth for Mikasa to enter. And after all of this, Eren looks at Mikasa and Mikasa beheads him. Yes, Mikasa beheads Eren. Things finally come to an end. Mikasa has killed Eren, and finally Mikasa kisses the lips of Eren's decapitated head. And in the last line of the leaks, we see that the founder Ymir is spectating beside them. So these are currently all the leaks, all the early leaks and spoilers that we have for Attack on Titan manga chapter 138. I obviously have a lot of different theories and speculations and discussions that I want to have in this particular regard, and I will obviously keep my opinions in check until the official chapter is out. But for now, I can really say that Eren actually wanted this to happen because he wanted to show the world that it was his friends who finally took him down, and in a way this would kind of stop the cycle of hatred in my opinion. Now I will expand upon all these things once the official chapter is out. So in the meantime, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified with all my latest updates. With that being said, this is Under YZ and I'll see you soon in the next one.